Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Git or Git Bash on Windows using CMD or Winget. So let's start. So first of all, search for CMD, open your command prompt in administrator mode, then search for command winget, and over here you can see winget is already installed on Windows. So winget is basically a package manager which comes with default on Windows. Now we want to search a package called as git. So type a command winget search git, press enter. Now wait for some time. So it will search git package, and over here you can see all the packages which name starts with git or which contains name git. So from this Windows packages, you need to find the correct package. And over here, you can see git.git is the correct git package. So copy this ID. Once you copy this ID, type a command winget, then install and paste the ID that we have copied. So you need to simply type a command winget install git.git and press enter. So it will automatically download exe for us and setup will start in few seconds. And you can see the message starting package installation, and over here you can see the git setup. So it will automatically install all the files, and over here you can see the message successfully installed. So verify the git installation using the command git ---- version and press enter, and over here you can see the git version. Now let's check for the git bash. So type a command or search for git bash, and over here you can see the git bash is also installed on your Windows system. You can type a simple command, and here you can see we have successfully installed git and git bash on Windows without downloading any exe file using winget package manager. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.